Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about what the Rebalance API feature does in Trading 212 and how it helps you keep your investments on track. So first off, what is rebalancing? Over time, some of the slices in your pie may grow bigger or smaller than your original plan, and this can throw off your target allocation. And that's where the rebalance option comes in. And here's how it works. The algorithm automatically sells shares from slices that are overweight, meaning they're bigger than your target. Then it uses those funds to buy shares of slices that are underweight, the ones that are smaller than your target. You can access the rebalance option under both the overview and holdings tabs of your pie. Before you can confirm, you'll even get a preview of the changes so you know exactly what's going to happen. One important thing to note, losses can occur if some positions are sold at a lower value during the rebalancing process. So, in short, using the rebalance feature keeps your pie aligned with your chosen strategy automatically, making sure your investments stay on track without you having to do the math manually. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.